Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make raspberry tiramisu. Begin by whipping together 250 g mascarpone with 50 g sugar and 3 egg yolks until smooth, folding in whipped egg whites for lightness. Prepare a raspberry soak with 200 g raspberries and 30 g sugar, simmered briefly then cooled. Dip 24 ladyfingers quickly into the raspberry syrup, layer with mascarpone, add fresh raspberries between layers, then chill for at least 4 hours before serving. In this video, I will explain how to assemble the tiramisu layers for best texture. Work quickly when dipping ladyfingers so they absorb syrup without getting soggy. A half-second dip is often enough. Spread a thin layer of mascarpone between layers to avoid heaviness and press gently to eliminate air pockets. Finish with a smooth top layer, dust with freeze-dried raspberry powder or cocoa, and chill uncovered 30 minutes then covered for at least 3-5 hours. In this video, I will review a little kitchen companion you might enjoy while baking. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker fills the kitchen with music and sets timers hands-free, making it perfect for multitasking between layers and chill times. It's small, affordable, and keeps your hands free when you're juggling bowls and berries. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you troubleshoot texture and flavor for the best raspberry tiramisu. If the filling is too loose, chill longer or fold less air into the mascarpone. Overwhipping makes it runny later. For brighter fruit flavor, fold in some crushed raspberries into the top layer just before serving. To make individual portions, use small glasses and reduce chilling time slightly, watching that layers remain distinct and stable for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.